What's up YouTube and welcome to my channel. So I got another hair video coming at you. I'm super excited to show y'all how I get my black roots to be platinum blonde, period, okay? And since we're already here, go ahead and subscribe. Okay, so let's get started. First, I'm gonna show you guys what I use. I'm gonna be using the BW2 bleach. I always use this bleach. I feel like it's the right amount of power, but it's not so hard on your hair, if you know what I'm saying. Okay, so moving on to developer, I've got a 20 volume developer, I have a 30 volume developer, and I have a 40 volume developer. I've said this in my past videos, I don't really care about the brand in regards to developer, just use what you have, anything will work. I know it's a bunch of different developers, but you're gonna see why. I'm gonna show you guys how I incorporate each volume of developer on my hair to get like the desired look. So I always start with 2 scoops of the bleach. And then I'm gonna go in with 4 scoops of developer. And then bro. Okay, please hold. So first I'm starting with the 30 volume developer because I'm actually gonna hit my whole head. Like, I'm not only gonna do my roots, okay, my bad. I had to get it together. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can tell, but it looks very grassy, very yellow, and toner's not gonna fix it because last time that I did my hair, I didn't let the bleach really lift my hair, and I did leave it a little bit darker than what I would have wanted it. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and bleach my whole hair, but for that you do have to be very fast because that's when it gets dangerous. When you apply bleach to processed hair, you run the risk of literally like losing your hair. So I already have my hair parted and I'm gonna start from the bottom and then work myself to the top. Anyways, let's get started. Okay guys, so this is what my hair is looking like. I left it in for only 15 minutes. I was super quick with it because I didn't want my hair to fall out. So yeah, this is how much it lifted. Even though I left it for 15 minutes, I think that it looks okay. It lifted quite a bit. I would say I always miss my edges. So I need to make sure that I get them this second time around. But what I was mostly worried about was pretty much like the rest of my hair. I wanted it to look really platinum, really white. And it does for the most part. I do think that I'm a little patchy, but I mean, that's just what happens when you do your hair on your own. It is really hard. So I'm gonna do the exact same thing all over my hair again, except for this time, I'm gonna be using a 40 volume developer. I'm scared, I don't wanna do it, but I'm just gonna go for it. I'm just gonna go for it and we'll see what happens. So yeah, here goes round 2. Okay, y'all, that second round, I was struggling, okay? I was struggling so bad. I wanted to just stop in the middle of everything. And I was just so frustrated. Like, I wasn't parting my hair right and I kept losing like the spot that I was at. And that just made everything difficult. So yeah, I'm sorry, like those clips aren't even that good. So I left the bleach in my hair almost 30 minutes and this is how it looks. So it does look a lot better. It's definitely very lifted compared to the first time, but it is very yellow. Let me show you guys. You see how yellow it is compared to like the rest of my hair? So I'm gonna do it one more time And this time I'm gonna start from the top to the bottom to ensure that my top looks very, very platinum. So yeah, let's do it. Round 3. Okay, and I forgot to tell you guys, I'm using 2 scoops of bleach and 4 scoops of 30 volume developer. And by the way, my roots were maybe an inch, and that's pretty much almost 2 months of hair growth. So I would recommend, if you guys are doing this, to do it maybe every 3 months. I think 3 months is like a safe time frame to bleach your roots, but I'm doing it so soon because I'm going to Vegas tomorrow. So I needed my hair to be looking right, okay? That's really the only reason why I'm doing it so soon. Okay, and I'm trying to be as careful as I can to literally just get the piece that is yellow, because you will really damage your hair if you apply bleach on already very bleached hair, you know what I'm saying? So just be careful. I mean, this is liquidy, so it's hard to like control in one spot, but just try your best. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like. I'm pretty happy with it. It does still look yellow compared to the rest of my hair, but the rest of my hair is white, okay? I'm going to tone my hair, and I'm sorry, you guys, I'm just so tired. I've been doing this since 6 p.m. and it's about to be 12. And I got a flight in the morning. I still have to pack. So yeah, I'm just like done. Anyways, so let's go ahead and start toning. So for toning, I like to use a squeezy bottle like this, and I pretty much use the whole thing of toner, and then I fill this container up 2 times with the 20 volume developer. So then I just mix the 2 together. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like. It looks super purple. But yeah, this is what it's supposed to look like. Now I'm going to wash this out. And by the way, it's been about 30 minutes. So yeah, I'm gonna wash out and I'll show you guys the finished product tomorrow. Okay, so it's the next day and this is how my hair turned out. I don't like it, you guys. It came out really bad. I'm kind of embarrassed that I'm making this video, but you know what? This is reality. Sometimes your hair comes out good and sometimes it doesn't, you know what I mean? But yeah, you see, this is still very, very yellow. Let me show you guys. Do you see? It's still very yellow. I'm able to hide it well because I can just comb my hair to the back and finesse it a little bit, but I couldn't bleach it anymore. I already bleached it 3 times, but to be honest, you guys, I don't think I can keep up with the blondes anymore. I think that might be the last time I bleach my hair. We'll see. I mean, we'll see. I don't know. I'm not making any promises, but it was bad. Like, my hair feels very bad. It feels and it looks fried. You know, just coming out fresh out the shower, my hair is literally gum. Okay, it's very stringy. And yeah, I just don't think that I can maintain it anymore. With that being said, there might be some more hair videos. So anyways, this is what it is, you guys. Let me show y'all one more time. And let me show you guys the back too. So this is the side. Can y'all see that? That's better. And then this is the back. I don't know if y'all can see that. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.